The rise of the Industry 4.0 is deeply transforming the industry in different sectors. COVID-19 not only changed dramatically the world, but also had major impact on consumer habits. Online sales have increased of 50% in 2020 compared to 2019. With customers that are more and more demanding, digitization and automation are able to face the challenges of the e-commerce industry. FIV is an international industrial and engineering group with multi-sector expertise. We supply added value solutions and customized solutions for handling, automation, and sorting applications. In the past 200 years, FIV was always able to reinvent itself, proposing always new technologies to its customers.
We serve a variety of customers in several industries, such as manufacturing, e-commerce, postal and courier, airport, retail. FIV Smart Automation Solution is uniquely positioned to deliver supply chain improvements towards our customer everywhere in the world. Our range of product is made by sorters, singulators, ASRS, fully supported from our WMS and WCS softwares that ensure a seamless connection between different technologies. Having a customer-centric approach is key to solve customer challenges.
The main purpose of FIV is to support its customers throughout the entire life of their equipments and systems, from the design to the dismantling.
FIV mission is to provide e-commerce customer technologies that allows to increase the speed, the flexibility and the precision of the delivery in their intralogistic processes and production flow, in order to deliver the right parcel at the right place at the right time. Innovation in automation is the basis for the e-commerce revolution.
But not only focusing on industrial performances, we are also developing solutions to improve the workers' conditions and the protection of environment. And in that frame, our sense of purpose, industry can do it, take hold its sense.
SDA Express Courier is owned by Poste Italiane and is market leader in the Italian logistic and distribution market. We deliver more than 145 million parcels every year, and with a growth of 75% in the last 3 years. With a fleet of delivery composed by almost 5,000 couriers and 27,000 postmen, SDA decided to launch a wide investment program to increase the capacity of its sourcing and distribution network and to cope with large volume of small parcel and non-standard parcel. FIVs offer a full range of technologies to automate sorting operation, increase productivity and reduce manual handling. SDA started a partnership with FIVs as right solution provider able to support our growth in the e-commerce market and make our business resilient and future-proof. To meet the new business challenges, SDA decided to be the first in Europe installing the Geniflex for the sorting of large and ugly items. The system is modular, compact and adaptable. Based on AMR technology, the Genian system was installed in late 2019 in our first hub, and then it was also implemented in 2 more hubs, the one in Rome and another one in Milan.
Innovation in automation is key to respond to real-life challenges. Digitally assisted remote services, they allow to bring artificial intelligence to extract information from data and to introduce predictive maintenance. During the COVID pandemic, it has been key to allow to deliver and commission system during the lockdown and to guarantee the continuity of the services to the operation of our customers.
Listening our customer is the most powerful input to develop the solution for our future.
To support our growth, digital is crucial. We will continue to invest in the technologies of the future in 2021. Fives, through its Smart Automation Solution division, demonstrates that it is an influent player and will therefore continue to accompany its client in this revolution.